There is a background to the Nasir fight. So the UPDF here is talking about deploying in response to what happened in Nasir. What about what happened in Western Equatoria? What about what happened in Juba? What about these things of the agreement being broken down? So it also went again further to the extent of arresting Dr. Riek Machar. And when Dr. Riek Machar was arrested, IGAD, we thank the countries of IGAD, Kenya, Ethiopia, Djibouti, they got concerned, and an envoy was sent there from Raila Odinga. The report coming out of the press is very bad. That Raila Odinga, on reaching there, he talked to General Salva Kiir Mayardit, the president, His Excellency, the president of South Sudan, about the matter. And he also requested to go and talk to the counterpart of the conflict, Dr. Riek Machar. But according to the report, which is circulating also in the media, a report issued by Honorable Raila Odinga himself, that when he requested to go and see Dr. Riek Machar, he was not allowed. Instead, the president referred him to go to Uganda and see President Museveni. To get permission to see Riek Machar, you have to come to Uganda and ask President Museveni. What does it mean? It means President Museveni is the one who ordered for the arrest of Riek Machar. How do you send an envoy from there who wanted to see Dr. Riek Machar from South Sudan to come to President Museveni in Uganda, in Kampala here, to ask for permission? How? This one gives the impression that the command, the instructions that go arrest Riek Machar were given from Kampala. And this put Uganda in a very bad position. That's why I would like to implore our president, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, regardless of the goodwill, the good things you have ever done, in this particular case, you have already been misunderstood. You have been understood badly as the one who has caused the problem, the one who has ordered the arrest. Therefore, you move out. Let other people, let other leaders of Africa take the lead. Come back home with our troops. Let other leaders of Africa go there, and they manage the problem. And if they fail, then they can ask you as a consultant of the region that you say, we tried, we have failed, now you come back. Let them be the one to come back and request you, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, our president of Uganda, that you deploy the troops so you come. But for this case, there is already a bad picture about Uganda. So our position as FDC is stick to the agreement. The continuous presence and operations of the UPDF in South Sudan are endangering three things. Number one, it is endangering the implementation of the peace agreement that has brought the relative peace we have seen in South Sudan, the 2018 peace agreement, in the sense that the UPDF's deployment there is not on the terms of peacekeeping, not a peacekeeper. The UPDF has gone there to side with one side of the conflict. Therefore, it brings loss of confidence on Uganda, the role of Uganda in the conflict in South Sudan. Uganda should have gone there as a peace promoter, a peacekeeper, not a party to the conflict. In the present situation, the UPDF presence there has put Uganda to be party to the conflict in South Sudan. That's bad. It is bad because it is going to put Ugandans who are struggling in South Sudan there doing business in danger. The Ugandans who are there in South Sudan are already facing threats of revenge on them, because the operations of the UPDF so far indicate that there are things which are unlawful and which are against human rights. There are killings, targeting, indiscriminate bombings of civilian population areas in Upper Nile, in the area of Nasir and Ulang counties. We, as Ugandans, we live in Uganda in close touch with the people in South Sudan, because we have Ugandans who are there, first of all, the civilians who have gone to do business. Secondly, we are neighbors with South Sudan, people like us from the north. We are the immediate neighbors of people of South Sudan. If there is a problem in South Sudan, we feel it directly.